we have about 5 days here under the sun. So we reduce water content here until our standard here 7.5%. So why we know? If you don't know this is ready or not, we bring to the factory. You just try to crack the bean. If it has crunchy sound, crack, very crunchy. If you fresh, that's already to the next process. This is ready. We bring to the factory.
If you really want to know the English, it's peter. The word is peter. Because that's not sour. Sour is lemon.
So we harvest the fruit, from the garden, and then we open the fruit. If you open the fruit, inside there has many seeds.
Yes, many seeds.
I can't hear. Sorry. What?
I would like to tell you about the cacao a little bit, And cacao is not original from Indonesia. It's coming from Central America.
What is it?
It's a Manatese. Oh my god, it's so
what?
cute!
I don't know the name in English.
Manantenus. Primantus.
Oh, fermenters. Yeah.
Yeah. They're ghosts. They're not real.
Can you help me, please, sir? Like this?
You wanna grab her?
Can you?
You can do it.
Me?
Let me watch. Other side. Go around the other side.
Oh, yeah.
That's a good idea.
Like that?
Yeah. Got it. Okay.
Perfect.
Yeah. And now?
Hold it like that.
Yeah.
And hit it hard.
Yeah.
How hard?
Until crack.
Until it cracks.
Yeah. Feel you angry.
Release your anger.
They crack?
And turn around. Yeah. Oh, you are so strong. Not yet. Oh, that's correct. Just 3 hit. You crack the 4th.
I could have done it on one, but.
Sometimes until 5 times.
Ooh.
Ooh, that looks beautiful. Mine.
Oh, it smells like a.
Like what? Like a.
It reminds me of a smell when I was a kid.
But then eat this one is Just eat that side.
Good done? Oh my god, that's delicious. So, you just suck it, right? Do you
Yeah.
want some?
You're just sucking. It's possible you can bite.
When it's raw?
See?
Okay. Which doesn't matter.
Wow.
Wow, amazing.
Yeah. This is the chocolate.
The whole
Oh
thing.
my god.
And now, the next process, we're roasting.